Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial will help you understand how to add up numbers in a large data set in no time, instead of using the normal addition function, which will probably take you lots of time. I'm going to teach you how to do so using the sum function. So the first thing we are going to do is to impute our equals to sign and type in sum. There it is. I double click. Once I double click, I select the range I want to add and I press my enter key. To do it for the remaining data set, I simply drag and autofill. If you want to add numbers, the entire range, if you want to add the entire range, this is how you go about it. So you impute your sum function and then you select first range, you separate it by a comma, you select the second range, you separate it by a comma, you select the third range, you separate it by a comma, and you select the last range and press your enter key. Or you can simply do this as well. You impute your sum function and there we have it, the same value. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you learned something or you understood something, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel tutorials.